Luck is an unpredictable thing because it can appear at the most unexpected moment or not appear at all when you are waiting for it so much. Today you will see something that you would never have believed if you hadn't seen it with your own eyes. Let's go.
You will never get into such a situation because I wish you good luck.
It seems that at the present time when you cross the road it is no longer enough just to look left and right. At least this guy will be nervously looking up for a long time, passing under billboards. Gustav III Airport is considered one of the most dangerous in the world. Its runway is only 640 meters. The photographer clearly has nerves of steel to risk so much for the sake of a spectacular shot. Working with large and heavy loads is not for nothing considered quite dangerous. In addition to injuries due to their own stupidity, there is also a very specific risk of being swatted like a cockroach. No wonder they say that the Russian people are extremely inventive. Who else would be able to perform a somersault at the time of the accident and say not today to the god of death in such an original way? Monster trucks, which looks like giant toys, is a vivid example of how folk fun has turned into a world-famous show. It's definitely worth seeing this at least once, but it's still better to take spectator seats away from the arena. If anyone knows firsthand what it means to be born in a shirt, it's a girl who miraculously did not get under the wheel, rushing towards her at great speed. In order for skiing to bring only joy, it is recommended to know safety techniques and ride on specially equipped trails so as not to find yourself in a situation that American Devin Stratton got into. While walking through the snowy mountains with a Gopro camera, he did not notice the cliff and collapsed from a 40-meter height, taking his fall on the camera from the first person. Surprisingly, the extreme did not get a single scratch, although all his uniforms were completely broken, even his helmet. Everyone is probably familiar with the expression that if you can't go to victory, then you need to crawl or at least lie in its direction. In a sense, it turned out that way. When this rider lost control and flew out of the saddle, he wisely did not take the risk and climb back, but slightly slowed down and finished on his knees. The cyclist thoughtlessly decided to skip the crossing without waiting for the lifting of the barrier and did not see that the train was rushing from the other side. Fortunately, the locomotive only demolished the rear wing reflector of the bike. But the train driver most likely became gray. There was a lot going on at Formula One races. But the case when one pilot jumped right over an opponent is something new. Despite the insurance in the form of a rope, the Sentry still collapsed on the roadway, and for some reason the traffic was not blocked. A passing cyclist miraculously did not end up under a massive log that fell a few centimeters behind him. Someone calls it intuition, and someone calls it the voice of a guardian angel. But whatever it was, the snowmobile miraculously stopped a second before the tragedy. This guy clearly has a guardian angel, and this time he saved him from spending a lot on new teeth. Everything is amazing in this video. And the way the motorcycle got on the wheels absolutely smoothly after losing control, and the fact that the rider was eventually able to catch up with his iron horse. This skateboarder had every chance to get nominated for the infamous Darwin Award, but fortunately luck was on his side. Full concentration, iron nerves and a well-honed punch are all you need to play pool. Usually the game lasts from 10 to 40 minutes, but this girl managed to accomplish the impossible. With a single blow, she sent all possible balls into the pockets. The World Surfing League, which released this video, called it one of the craziest rescues they've ever seen. Even the most experienced surfers know that it is impossible to escape from the raging sea. It's just incredible luck that at the moment when the guy was almost covered by a wave, there was a man on a jet ski nearby who hurried to his aid. To avoid a terrible accident, you will do anything. The driver of this cement truck did everything in his power to get out of the situation with minimal losses. As soon as the Jeep appeared on the road in these shots, the cement truck slammed on the brakes and miraculously managed to avoid a collision. However, the contents of the tank immediately splashed out and completely covered the entire Jeep, with a cement wave from the hood and roof to the wheels. This worker knows exactly how to properly dismantle old buildings. With just one movement, he got rid not only of the load-bearing wall, but also of the concrete floors between the floors. Many people fear for good reason that while throwing an axe at a target, it can bounce off it and fly back into the thrower. In this case, that's exactly what happened. However, luck and lightning-fast reaction came to the man's aid in time, thanks to which no one was injured in these shots. Thank you so much for watching. If you liked the video, then don't forget to leave your personal like and write in the comments on what topic you would like to see the next video. See you soon. Peace.